We'll guide you through how to use CapCut mobile app to remove background music on a video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to remove background music while keeping the voice clear. To begin this tutorial, open CapCut on your mobile device. Tap New Video to start a new project so you can begin editing your content. After that, choose the video you want to use from your gallery so it can be added to your project. Tap HD if needed to adjust the resolution so the video quality matches your preference and desired output. Then tap Add to import the video into the timeline where you can begin editing. Next, select the video on the timeline so it becomes active and ready for editing. Swipe the menu until you find Extract Audio, which is used to separate the audio from the video layer. Tap Extract Audio to split the audio track from the video. Now your audio and video are separated into different layers, allowing you to control them independently. Select the audio layer and tap Delete if you want to remove the background music along with the voice completely from the video. Now all audio has been removed from the video. But if you only want to remove the background music and keep the voice, you can use the second method for a more refined result. For the second method, select the audio layer on the timeline so you can apply additional tools to it. Swipe the menu until you find Isolate Voice, which helps separate voice from background sounds. Tap Isolate Voice to open the available options for processing the audio. You can choose Keep Voice or Remove Voice. For example, choose Keep Voice so the background music is removed while the voice remains clear and audible. After selecting your preferred option, tap the checkmark icon to apply the changes and confirm the adjustment. This process will refine the audio by focusing only on the voice and removing unwanted background elements. Review the result carefully to ensure that the background music has been removed while the voice remains in the video. Play the video from the beginning to check if the audio sounds clean and balanced.